Do you like comic books? Then get ready to become the hero of a comic book adventure! Redhead is a huge fan of comic books. It looks like she's a little carried away with fictional reality. A spirit of comic book is possessing her body. From now on, she'll be different. Let's start with clothes. Outline lips on a plain white t-shirt with a print. Put cardboard inside and color the lips with fabric paint. Add a black outline. Turn the print into a speech bubble. Create a dotted pattern around the lips using a stencil. Make black and blue imprints with a sponge. I look way better in this t-shirt! Who wants a bright kiss? This is what my favorite characters wear. My comic book friend Roxy approves of this style. And what about your shoes? Yeah, my sneakers don't match my look, but I have something better. Take the shoelaces out of old sneakers. Define the outlines with a black permanent marker. The soles, fabric, and sparkly details. Draw dots and lines on the fabric. Make them look like comic book sneakers. Define the edges of the soles. Put in black shoelaces. These sneakers are wonderful, and they are my exact size. It's like they are drawn on my foot. And my hair changed too. Now Redhead has long pink hair, and her name is Pinky. But her skin is way too pale. She's not ready to be in a comic book. Let's do some comic book makeup. Pin back your pink hair. Apply blue eyeshadow onto your eyelids. Add black winged eyeliner. Outline the eyeshadow with black eyeliner and connect it with the wing. Add eyeliner on the lower lid the same way and some eyelashes. Define your eyebrows with eyeliner. Draw thin black lines down the bridge of your nose and on the sides. Define the nostrils. Outline your pink lips. And add some accents. Line your cheekbones. Define the chin. Our face contouring looks great, and my makeup is finally defined. I can untie my hair now. What do you think, Roxy? Great job! You just need a bright accessory. Coat an old bag with acrylic primer. Cut pieces out of different colors of foam paper. Copy the parts of the bag. Make a base for a frame out of black foam paper. And a pink strap with a V-shaped end to be a fastener. Hot glue the pieces to the bag. Make it look like it's a drawing. Attach the parts of the signature black frame. Add stitching on the strap using acrylic paint. This cartoon purse is a very unexpected gift. Sharp lines are fashionable nowadays. Plus, it's not as flat as the one from comic books, and it'll hold all my things. There's a surprise for me inside. Are these tattoo sleeves? Cut the ends and the shorts off of old nylon tights. Attach printed phrases from comic books onto a cardboard cylinder. That'll be the base for our drawing. Put the nylon piece onto the cylinder. Trace drawings on top using fabric markers. Make them look like tattoos. Take off the sleeve. Repeat on the other sleeve. Which tattoo should I go for? I'll put all of them on. These sleeves are a great replacement for real tattoos. I'll tattoo my arms quickly and without any pain. And when I don't feel like having tattoos anymore, I'll just take the sleeves off. Is the sun shining brighter than you? That's no reason to squint. Put on these cool sunglasses. Cut strips out of colored cardboard. Hot glue them to the rims of plastic glasses. Cover the lenses with strips. Cut letters to make the word WOW out of yellow and black cardboard. Divide the O in half. The black letters have to be slightly bigger so they make an edge. Attach the yellow letters on top of the black ones. Glue the letters onto the glasses. My new glasses are brighter than the sun. They are perfect for my stunning look. Who's calling? My new friend Roxy. It's a good thing that my new phone case is inspired by comic books. Print a lip pattern picture and cut it out to fit a phone case. Cut speech bubbles out of sticker paper. Attach them near the lips. And put the piece into a silicone phone case. Write phrases in the speech bubbles with a permanent marker. Hi, Pinky! You look amazing! Your comic book makeover was a success. Do you want something to drink? Take the best comic book cocktail. Add food coloring to Sprite. Pour the drink into a glass bottle. Decorate the neck of the bottle with a colored cord. Tie a bow. Attach a comic book sticker. Add a straw. It's so bright and tasty! Now this is my favorite drink! It's time to add an explosion to this comic book story. Hey, Pinky! Take some dynamite! Put Candies into a plastic tube box. Cut circles out of gold crepe paper and wrap the sides of the tube box with it. Fasten with hot glue. Cover the tube with red felt. Make 3 identical pieces. Sew wide black elastic ribbon into a ring. Make 2 pieces. And join the tubes to make dynamite. Hot glue a cord to the center. That'll be the fuse. Print a sticker that says BAM! And attach it to the elastic ribbon. Oh! Help! Phew! Was it really just a dream? But where did this dynamite come from? There's something inside. Candy? Comic books? Right! Pinky, the girl from the comic book. No way! I think I've had enough comic books for today. Did you like our comic book makeover? Let us know in the comments which comic book accessories you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new bright ideas from Troom.